There you go, Buffy. Biggest breakfast for the biggest girl.
Hey, hey, plenty for both of you.
Good day, everyone. Sleep well tonight.
This is the place! Relax. They're all snoring. She's heavier than she looks. Pull quieter. Get in the van, you stupid horse! Hurry up! I'm pushing. He's too heavy. Push! I am pushing! These two are easier. Move! 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 Easy does it, Henrietta. You're a heavy one. Oh no. Where is everyone? Hello, officer. My animals are gone. Please help.
They're all gone, every animal.
We'll help you, sir.
Fresh tracks. A van.
They went that way.
Set up a roadblock ahead. Suspect vehicle heading north.
They found us! Ah! Hold on!
It's over. Step out slowly.
Worst plan ever. Let's get those animals home. You're all safe.
Next time? Honest jobs?
Yeah, maybe.
Bad actions lead to bad consequences. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.